Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RBZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now today was pretty rough, and the chart is just so thrown off because this has been such a crazy stock where the price was, up at 20s and now it's down here. So what I'm going to do is just move this all the way over here so we can fix the proportions on things. So there we go. That just makes it a little bit easier to see. I realize kind of goofy with all the white space, but it is what it is, just given how crazy this one has actually been. So let's first start by talking about areas of support. And the one level of support that really stands out quite a bit is right here at $4, and we'll call it 85 cents. This is not some sort of great discovery on my part or anything like that, and I'll explain that in a second. But you can see on 2 separate occasions the price went down there, and each and every time, the bulls did a good job of holding strong and got the nice bounce. And I bring up the fact that this is not some sort of great discovery. Anybody that understands charts and uses charts has taken note of that. So when a lot of eyeballs are watching and wondering the same thing of, can that level hold? Call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. That can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. So you better believe there's a lot of people watching 485 going forward. And I'm not saying the price is headed down there. All I'm saying that is if it does go down there, then that could produce some pretty interesting price movements. Now, in the event it goes down there and does not hold up, the next level of support after that would be down there at that previous breakout point, right around, let's see, what is that? $4, oh, it makes it easy, $4.50. So 485 and 452 are the 2 key levels of support going into Tuesday. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance, keep an eye on. Going to be right up there at, let's see, $5.60. If the price can push up through $5.60, next level after that, right up there, or makes it easy again, up at the $6 mark. So $5.60 and then $6, 2 of the next couple levels of resistance going into Tuesday. This one's been a crazy mover. I actually traded it once today. Don't own any shares right now, but I know I'll be watching it tomorrow, and we'll see how this one continues to play out. And if you're curious, I guess, my trade on it, you can see bought 1,000 at $5.75 and sold at $5.90 for the quick $150 on it. So that was my one trade on it today. But yeah, like I said, we'll see how it plays out tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.